You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing vocabulary and names. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In English, it's normally said as Vernon. There's a city in British Columbia, Canada, named that way, and probably more places too, Vernon. Now, if you're talking about the village in France, it's said in French as Vernon, Vernon. So you can say it as Vernon. Some places might be said that way, but in English, Vernon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.